Welcome! In this video, you'll learn what are the different types of member permissions in Pipefy and how to use them for better process collaboration. Allow different team members to interact with processes and in different ways, from sending new requests to customizing the entire process settings. With your team as Pipefy members, ensure everyone is on the same page with visibility, centralized information, and improved communication, avoiding silos. So let's check out how it works. There are three types of permissions for Pipefy's companies. Admins, who can access and edit all the pipes, including private ones. Admins can change company settings, invite and delete other members, or change their permission. Members, who can join public pipes and create or edit cards. And finally, guest users, who can only access the start form of public pipes to create new cards. Guests can't view or edit any cards. These different permissions are available for business and enterprise plans. For others, all users have admin permission. Pipe members can be assigned to their request and they'll be notified by email or push notification, making it easier to control activities. To get started, let's invite a new member by clicking on Manage Members on your company's main screen and invite team members. As an admin yourself, choose different roles at the moment of the invitation, or updating it anytime you want by clicking on the user and choosing the proper role. It's crucial to select the right level of permission for each team member to avoid possible mistakes and guarantee each one will have the most adequate visibility over the process. Remember that pipe permissions are not directly related to the company's permissions. Pipe's permissions are managed separately in the pipe setting. Invite your team to Pipefy and give a next step towards a more collaborative operation. In case you need help, access Pipefy's help articles and tutorials or join Pipefy's community. Thanks for watching.